Tonight, you will prepare a signature dish. Something that can show your soul, your passion, and most importantly, your competence, which I doubt any of you three have.
I once cooked for a tiger. I think I can handle a measly Frenchman.
I've sold everything, except a decent meal.
To cook or not to cook? That is the question.
You know, Gordon, I used to make a mean breakfast. Customers loved me, my boys loved me, I was well liked.
Oh, back to the basics.
Would you like some cheese, Willie?
Sure, Linda.
I love my tiger.
I think my sandwich is burning. Oh no, it's perfect. Do you like crust on or crust off?
Crust on.
Pearl Millen, I guess. Pearl Millen Company. Since 1889, believe it or not. There's nothing else. Why are you recording me? So
I'm the cameraman. I do what I want. What are you doing? It's supposed to be all in the wrist, like this. Is this your first time in the kitchen? Goodness gracious. You're still wrong, in the wrist. Yeah, you better be doing that. Use a bloody spoon.
Yes, sir.
Can't you see? It's burning. Look at the smoke.
that chef doesn't even know what he's doing. Unbelievable. Well, I think it's ready now. Nope. I think it's ready. Ooh la la.
Pizza's done. Just like Horatio taught me.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Contestants, line up.
If I must perish, so it must be.
2 of you must leave Hell's Kitchen permanently. Pi Patel, this is levels. And now, for the most important part, how does it taste? This is points deducted from you for presentation, Pi. Way too raw. There's not even a crunch.
You don't know what you're talking about. That was scrum diddly yumptious.
That was despicable. All right, Willie, let me see what you got cooked up for me. Do you have ears, Willie? I asked for a dinner, not a lunch. But just because this is your first time on the show, and you're not one of the previous contestants, I will give you a chance equal to Pi with his daring breakfast.
How is it, sir? My boys used to love this when I...
Silence. Personally, Willie, I would put a little bit more crunch on the bacon. It seems like you've undercooked it a little bit. This is dollar store level.
It's from the deli at the supermarket, sir. You provided the ingredients.
I don't like a smartass.
Nowadays, people don't appreciate good old-fashioned sales tactics. Just because I'm old doesn't mean I'll be pushed around.
And last but not least, Hamlet. Let's see what you got cooked up.
Here you are, sir. Professionally made by yours truly.
What is this?
It's a lovely oven-baked pizza made in my style entirely.
And I see a little bit of extra ingredients on here.
Ah, yes. I added my own personal touch. It's a method Horatio taught me. Sprinkled some Parmesan on it to add a little bit of extra flavor.
You guys are being set apart now. And it's clear now.
Thank
Hamlet
you,
came here to win.
chef. Thank you, chef.
This is cold.
The other contestants took too long.
It doesn't matter. You should plan accordingly. And you should act on time. Not do it too early and then wait forever. And the winner of the 67th season of Hell's Kitchen is Hamlet. Willie and Pie, get out of the
Can I at least
kitchen.
get my shoes, sir?
No. Hey, producers,
Aye, my good sir.
don't get those clowns on my show again. I want real chefs.
That stupid sailor, he needs to thank Vishnu Allah and Jesus that he had a meal to eat.
Hey, you're coming with me, sir.
This feels like cardboard. Wow. It's okay. Be my tiger. Yo, he really wants
Hey guys, you ready?
Yep. Wait, there's no click set?
This is a disgrace to vegetables, Pie. Trust me.
No, they're gonna kill him.
Squid.
Liam. Yeah. Liam, please.
What do I do? What do I do?
Pat him.
Okay. I feel like how to train your dragon right here. Don't somebody's gonna bite me?
No, you're not gonna bite you.
Okay.
Calm down, calm down. You're next. You're next.
And that's how you do it, folks. You brought me another toy.
Some video.
Bloopers.
Hey yo, pause.
Where's the towel?
Mr. Willie Loman.
Coke body figure.
Ain't working.
Raw. Despicable chef. He doesn't know what he's talking about. My Darth Vader pancake. Redo. I'm not stupid French sailor. Hey, he should have. Wait, it's a French sailor?
French chef.
French chef. Redo. Strap.
Hey, producers.
Aye, sir.
Hey, producers.
I have been summoned.
Hey, producers.
Hello.
Hey, producers.
Good day, mademoiselle.
Hey, producers.
Hey.
And what is this supposed to be?
Bacon.
That Darth Vader pancake was awesome, and the syrup coming out of that bottle was awesome. Listen, what I think of you, Mr. Frenchman chef. Flip you, nerd.
Never come back.
Aye, sir.
You are now looking at the new managing chef at our new location, Pissing Molitor.
Perchance I can make this into a poisonous dish for Claudius.
Pissing and... Don't cut it, don't cut it. Still recording.
I love how it's burning, yo.
Oops, my bad.
Am I good to go?
I've been recording this whole time. I'm okay. Count on. Come on.
Okay. When it goes like this, I'm gonna pretend
Get
to.
in.
I'm
Get
gonna
in your
step-
shape.
I'm about to
Get in your
throw-
shape. Get in your shape.
Huh?
Get ready.
Yeah, I'm.
Get in your pose.
So as soon as I'm about to throw the punch, okay, when he goes like this, I'm gonna.
Time. Not do it too early and then wait forever. Or do it too late and wait never.
No, do not do that, John.
Willie, would you like some cheese?
Thank you, Linda. No, you gotta wait.